Hello, my name is Robert Oberfall. Today I'm going to be showing you how HCL has added DFMPro into CATIA V5 R26 and beyond. Today we will be showing you an analysis of this particular part on the screen in CATIA, and we'll show you the DFMPro interface. Here's how it works. Today we'll start up the DFMPro interface. It's an add-in inside of the CATIA V5, and with that we have our interface that comes up for DFMPro. DFMPro runs now across all major CAD platforms, including Creo, NX, SolidWorks, and now currently CATIA. And so with that, we're able to select a rule configuration which has a set of combined rules that look at manufacturability issues for downstream manufacturing. And then those manufacturing issues are wrapped around in this case, prismatic milling and turning, which are the current available modules inside of DFMPro. With that, I'll select a material and we'll run an analysis. We'll select aluminum, for instance. I have many different types of materials that I can select. And so with that, let's go ahead and select stainless steel 321. And we'll tell DFMPro that we're going to run. So DFMPro is able to run a set of rules that will look at manufacturability issues and then provide for us information about parameters that might be outside the bounds of the specific rules. So with that, we'll go ahead and run the analysis. So you can see DFMPro is running feature recognition. It's looking at all of the different features: holes, bosses, slots, pockets, radiuses, grooves, whatever that is on the part, and what it will do is it will come up with a set of recommendations for us. These recommendations are basically categorized by criticality, and keeping in mind criticality is something that's very important, especially from a manufacturability issue. In this case, in prismatic milling, we have a series of 5 plus 13 rules that have actually recommended some changes to the model based on the parameters bounced off of the rule manager. The rule manager consists of a set of rules that are inherent in the application that have parameters that are editable and also have information for these parameters that is geared around a specific help file that we have associated and tied into not only this rule manager but also inside of DFMPro. And so with that, you can come through and look at all of the different information that's associated to it, with the intent of educating the engineer on manufacturability issues that have come up for the specific parts that they're working. So DFMPro is also able to generate some reports based on the information. Once those reports are generated, DFMPro will then give us the reports in the Excel format and also in a PDF format. And so here's the Excel format. Shows you all of the information that was available to us through running the analysis in DFMPro. Gives you the report, and then also there is a PDF file that gets generated as well, and that information is available for each and every item. And as you can see, we even take snapshots of the geometry based on the findings and the features. And speaking of those findings, here we can see that we have cases where we have DFMPro looking at holes intersecting pockets and those types of things, and DFMPro will go ahead and tell us where that geometry is by selecting these specific items. And then each and every one of these rules that have items also have instances, and those instances are the actual features within the geometry, and you'll notice that DFMPro is actually selecting those for us. So there, concerning manufacturability issues, if you want to look at manufacturability from a design perspective, use DFMPro for that. And so we thank you for watching today, and we would appreciate if you could come to our site at dfmpro.com and request a deeper demo, and we can certainly provide that. Thanks again. My name is Robert Oberfall from HCL.